That first split second, hold this first split second before
Route 1053, the Woodlands High School.
Say
Crawford. I'm an STO candidate, and basically what I'm doing is going around selling the STO ducks. Basically they're ducks and you go and you find your match pair. So for example, like if you get Simba, you're gonna go look for your Nala. And it's just a really cool way to help promote troops, meeting new troops, and just all being here enjoying festival. And they're only $1, so come to the STO store or come find one of us.
I'm Hannah Haddad.
And I'm Reed Salvador.
And
we're Troop 7052 from McKinney Boyd High School.
Hi, we're from Gibson High School from 6319.
Hi guys, we're here from Keller High School from Troop 4169. We're super excited to do our performance ID today.
We're from Copper's Cove High School. We represent Troop 549, and we're so happy to be back in person.
I mean, I am a native Texan, so it feels like really great to be back. I was a theater kid growing up in Texas, so it's just nice to be home.
Hi, we're all from Troop 3413 Roswell High School, and we're just so happy to be here.
Hi, my name is Adriana Elizondo, and this is Troop 8513 at McAllen, Texas for Nicky Rowe High School.
We're from Burleson High School, and we're Troop 887.